to have our green makeup. This is the primary ingredient for our witch. I mean, think about what flour is to cake, green makeup is to our witch costume. Next, we're going to be having golden glitter. This is something that some folks may not think about, but this is going to add a really cool effect for our witch. The last makeup color we're going to use is black, which is also very important. Not as much as the green, but definitely good for shadow effects. Of course, we're going to need to have a larger cylindrical sponge to apply the makeup over broad areas of the face. We're also going to have a stick of red lipstick. Now, if you already have this at home, that's great. Don't bother going out to a costume shop and buying it where you're going to spend twice as much money. Just go with the home cosmetics, no problem. Then we have an assortment of brushes, and the brushes are going to range from to very small, fine tip brushes. The difference being the big brushes are going to be used to, again, apply makeup over a broader area of the face, while the finer tip brushes are going to be used to apply more fine detail. In addition, I recommend having some Q-tip applicators, which can be used to get into some of the more tougher nooks and crannies of the face. Last but not least, we're going to have some liquid latex, which we're going to use to build up a wart on our witch's face.